a signal? Really? And now you're gonna come into this lane? Here.
See, I don't see why anybody would ever. I can do anything.
Embassy, yeah. That's pretty. That's amazing.
Can we go in there for tours?
And they want you to know that there's nothing like Australia.
There isn't. It's different.
That's huge.
Can you go into the embassies for tours?
The Spanish embassy is the size of
Look,
my
it
pinky.
says, come visit your mates down under.
That's to go to Australia.
It's you to go to Australia.
They don't.
No, I
Same.
Big pothole.
See, know where you're going?
Yeah.
It's an epidemic. Whoa, so much
They're everywhere.
Oh my god! Red light!
Today for school?
I know, I'm just sending it to my professor from abroad because we learned a lot about Egypt, and I think he'll
You're like a new cab driver.
It must have been at that before I realized. But it was so funny. You should have seen that little dog dressed up like that.
Oh.
Yeah, I wouldn't tangle with them. Stay down here.
Yeah,
They used to have
Wow.
millions.
That's incredible.
Whoa.
He's gonna cause a head-on right there.
Yep.
Idiot.
Man. No. Yeah, let's never do that again. That guy in the Tacoma also is driving like he's drunk. Like, I just don't understand. Do you want to not? Maybe you should get off your phone. Your headlights. There you go. Why are you passing people still? Wow, what an idiot.
Not educated.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
Oh!
Whoa.
What is going on here?
Are that way.
I'm never like opposed to a jump.
Stop. Stop. Yeah, that's a pretty close cutoff right there. And you are putting it kind of close as well. It's a good thing that Camry's not right next to you, man. So you're like in their lane. This guy's ridiculous. I wonder if he's drunk, honestly.
Then exit right.
About to see this American plane land. That's pretty cool. Georgetown just came across the Key Bridge from Virginia. And people are already acting like it is.
Like commercial district instead of residential.
This Prius is causing problems. That's great. The Uber is sitting in the bus stop. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm not getting in anybody's way, so whatever. Yay, Virginians! Oh yeah, that sucks.
Pier,
Yeah.
activities, green.
Thank you.
Oh, what am I looking at?
It's got to be here. And I went, Mom, that's not fair. Oh, this is what it was. He was on a full day excursion, big pothole right there. Full day excursion with a lift.
Because these people got to go through the intersection. This guy's been sitting here blocking everybody for 3 minutes.
That's a red light.
Yeah, whatever.
Go.
Oh, what is that? Now she can't.
That the third one I can't tell, and then there's
She just drove over the curb.
Oh, an elder.
Oh my god. I think you should keep going straight.
Why did this person get on that side if they can't handle it?
Get driven across?
Driving across at like 15 miles an hour with his hazards on. That's more dangerous than... I don't even know.
Why didn't they?
Why would you just not get on that side?
Why would you drive across the bridge?
Right, yeah. There's a service where people will drive across for you.